Welcome to another session of Multiply Your Success Test Prep Review. In these sessions, we go over past exam questions using simple step-by-step methods. If you're a new viewer or subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back. Please go ahead and give this video a like by pressing the thumbs up button. In this session, I will show you how to solve real-life problems involving addition and subtraction of decimals. Our first example: the total snowfall for a town from Friday through Sunday was 34 inches. On Friday, the snowfall was 11.25 inches. On Saturday, the snowfall was 9.9 inches. How many inches of snow fell on Sunday? So the first step in solving a word problem is, after we read the problem and we understand the problem, we're going to go ahead and underline important details that are going to help us to solve the problem. So I have already done so. Very important is the total inches for the 3 days, which is 34, total 34 inches. Also very important that on Friday it was 11.25 inches and on Saturday it was 9.9 inches. This is a two-step question. So to solve this problem, we're going to find the total of Friday amount of rainfall and Saturday's amount of rainfall. We're going to find the total of these two, and then we subtract from the total for the 3 days, and then we'll find how many snow fell on Sunday. So therefore, this is what we're going to do. 34 minus 11.25 plus 9.9. So first we're going to add 11.25 and 9.9. 11.25 9.9 and that is equal to 5. 9 plus 2, 11. 1, carry 1. Line of PowerPoint. 9 plus 2, 11. And 1, carry 1. And 1 plus 1, 2. So the total for Friday and Saturday is 21.15 inches. So 11.25 plus 9.9 is equal to 21.15. Now we're going to subtract that from 34. So that is 34.00 minus 21.15. 0 take away 5, can't. Go to the tenth, there's nothing, so we go to the ones and we borrow 1, leaving 3. This makes 10, so we can now borrow 1, leave 9, and now this is 10. So 10 take away 5, 5. 9 take away 1, 8. 3 take away 1, 2. And 3 take away 2, 1. And that is equal to 12.85. So 34 minus 11.25 plus 9.9 is equal to 12 0.85, and our correct choice is A. It's our correct choice, 12.85, and that is A. Now moving on to number 2. The table shows Jalen's dogs' names and weight in kilogram. Christy, 7.5 kilogram. Wise, 11.6 kilogram. And Pete, 28.9 kilograms. What is the difference between the combined weight of Christy and Pete and the weight of Wise? The difference between the combined weight of Christy and Pete and Wise. So that tells us that we need to add Christy and Pete's weights, and then we subtract the weight of Wise. So this is what we're going to do. 7.5 plus 28.9 minus 11.6. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and add 7.5 plus 28.9. 7.5 plus 28.9. 7.5, 28.9. 9 plus 5, 14. 4, carry 1. 8 plus 8, 16. 6 carry 1. And 1 plus 2, 3. So the combined weight of Christy and Pete is 36.4 kilograms. 36.4 kilograms. Now we're going to subtract. Difference means subtract. So we're going to subtract Wise's weight to find the difference. That is 36.4 minus 11.6. 4 take away 6 can't go to the ones. Borrow 1 leaves 5. 14 take away 6, 8. Line up your point. 5 take away 1, 4. And 3 take away 1, 2. So the difference between the combined weight of Christy and Pete and the weight of Wise is 24.8 kilograms. 24.8 kilograms. And there you have it. I hope you find this very helpful. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.